Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make summer special mango popsicles, but we are going to make them in three different ways, so you can make whenever whatever you want, and they all are really very yummy. So let's start with method 1. These are very easy to make. You can make them anytime. So in the mixie jar we'll add milk, mango cubes, and some powdered sugar or bura. This you can add as per your taste. Now we'll just blend them so that they become the puree becomes thick. So make sure that you don't pour a lot of milk, because if it becomes very thin and very liquid, so there will be more of ice in the popsicle, which might not taste really good. So be careful. And now we'll pour this thick mixture in the popsicle molds, cover them and keep them aside, and then we'll start preparing popsicles by method number 2. So for method number 2, we'll start preparing popsicles by taking milk in a mixing jar, then adding to it milk powder, mangoes, condensed milk, and some crushed cardamom. Now we'll blend this until it becomes smooth. Now we'll pour these again into the popsicle molds, and we'll just cover and keep them. This will give you more of taste of mango kulfi. It will taste more of like mango kulfi. So our method 2 is also done. Now let's proceed with method 3. So for method 3, what all we want is some mangoes which we have cubed and blended in a jar, so that the mango puree is ready. So once the mango puree is ready, we'll transfer it into a bowl, and then we take ice in a bowl, and on top of ice we'll put another bowl whose bottom will touch the ice. Okay, now in this bowl we'll add cream, bura or powdered sugar. This you can add as per your taste. Then we'll whisk it until the cream becomes stiff. So it won't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on the quantity of cream that you are taking and the quantity of ice that you have taken. The more the ice, it will be done very quickly. And if the ice is less or you're preparing it in hot, it won't come out really good, and won't come out really fast. Now I've added mango puree to this, and we'll just whisk it again, and you will see the texture becomes really smooth. Now to this I've added milk. Make sure not to add much milk, and then we'll whisk again, and this becomes really smooth and creamy, and it's just simply yum. Now to this we'll add some crushed cashews and pistachios. You can add almonds as well, depends on what you like. Now I've added all of it, whatever I had, and then we'll just transfer this mix again into our molds. So now in 6 molds I have 3 type of popsicles. We'll just tap it a little bit, because there should not be any air inside it. So make sure to tap it before you freeze it. So now everything is done. We'll just cover the popsicle mold and keep it inside freezer to freeze for around 7 to 8 hours. After 7 to 8 hours, see, our yummy popsicles, mango popsicles are ready. We'll just put the popsicle molds in a glass of normal water for not more than a minute. In a minute it will be done. So once it is done, just pull out the stick, and your yummy creamy mango popsicles are ready. Serve them chilled and enjoy. Beat the heat in the summer and go mango crazy this summer. I hope you like the video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And If there is anything you want us to make, then you can always mail us at myhealthandtaste@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.